This is the I-cord cheat, crocheted I-cord. I just made a little bit for you to see before I demo. This is what we do for the Daisy beach bag and other bags. I make most of my handles with this because it's really easy and nice and round, so it's sort of not uncomfortable for a bag strap. So first of all, we're just going to do that slip knot. Sorry, I shall go very slow with this as if it's a complete beginner tutorial. So we're going to cross over and then under there, I'm going to pull that through, okay? But don't go tight here because we're going to have to work into that. Well, we don't have to, but I would like you to. Then we're going to just chain 2, 1, 2. Now we're doing some funky stuff, so look closely. I've got this like extra magnified, grossing you out with my manky nails, sorry, so that this can be followed really easily. We're going to go into that first crossbar thing. We're going in there and we're going to do a normal stitch, which is called double crochet in English and single crochet in American. So there, that's done. Now what we do is we turn the work, we keep the hook the same, turn the work 180, and we're just going to find that crossbar, go in and do another one of those stitches, double English, a single in the US. Now again, we're going to turn, each time we do a stitch, we turn the work 180. Can you see those 2 bars across there? Now we're into it for real. This is what we'll do every single time. We look for that 2 bar, and we put our hook in there, and then we do another stitch like this. And then what do? We turn the work 180, we look for that 2 bar, we go in there, and then we do our stitch. And again. And you basically keep going till your cord is as long as you want the handle to be. You'll get into a rhythm with it. Now normally the I-cord like construction means that you have to, because it's with a crochet hook and not knitting needles, you have to like take the work off the hook, and then it's quite daunting, and I think it puts a lot of people off using it, so they just use like a plait or something. But this is like such a secure little series of stitches, no knots. Like the plaits are fine, but there's like a big knot at the end of them to hold the threads in place, and I just really love the look of this, because it does end up looking a bit like a plait, but just like a really nice fishtail kind of thing. So you just keep going. For the beach bag, I think I make it about 60 centimeters, and I make 2 of them, obviously, 2 handles on the bag. It's like a kind of big tote. And then there's another bag I'm making, which is a Daisy just a phone pouch. There's like a crossbody bag. And in that, I do it a little bit longer. I think it's one strap, and I think it's about 80 centimeters. Obviously, it depends on the person, the way you want it to hang. But yeah. So if you're following this and you've got the beach bag, what I do is I make it with 2 strands. So when you go through there and you're finding the 2, that will be like 4 small strands. But that's not, I mean, it's fine. I don't think you're going to have trouble with that. I just thought I'd point out, if you're using 2 strands, then obviously there's more there that you go through. And yeah, I pretty much think that is all you need to know about this. It is so simple and very satisfying to make. I'm gonna, oh, I'll just do a wrong one there. I'm gonna do that stitch, and then I'm just gonna show you the end result. It looks super good. And it's like a little bit stretchy, but it's really secure and comfortable to use as a strap. So good luck with that. I'm going to take a picture for my cover of this YouTube video, and yeah, have fun. There are videos for the daisy granny square if you're making the bag. Get in touch with me on YouTube or in the Facebook group if you're a pattern customer, and I can make more videos. Let me know.